morning students, welcome back to our subject Science and Chapter 9 Disaster Management. Points to be covered: types of fire, methods of fire extinction, precautions and safety measures, first aid, landslide and rift collapse, causes of landslide, effects of landslide. Types of fire: Class A fire, solid substances. Commonly flammable materials are their fuel source: wood, clothes, coal, paper, etc. This fire can be put out with water. Class B fire, liquid substances. Fires caused due to flammable liquid substances: petrol, oil, varnish, solvents, cooking oil, paints, etc. All these substances are lighter than water. Therefore, fire extinguisher can be used to extinguish fire. Class C fire, gaseous substances. Fire caused due to acetylene, household gases, LPG. Fourth one, Class D fire, chemical substances. Fire caused due to the combustible metals like potassium, sodium and calcium, which reacts with water at normal room temperature. Magnesium, aluminium and zinc react with water at a high temperature. When both of these groups combines with water, it explodes. Class E fire, electrical. A fire caused due to electrical components is Class E fire. To extinguish such fire, power cut off and non-conductive fire extinguisher like carbon dioxide are used. Methods of fire extinction. There are three main methods to stop the spread of fire or to control the fire. Cool out. Use of water. To extinguish fire, water is most common and effective solution which is easily available everywhere. If we spray water on the fire or around the fire, it creates cooling effect and helps to control the fire. Suppresses the fire. To control the fire which is caused due to the electricity or oil, sand or soil can be used. If we spread a fourth like substances on the fire, it cuts off the contact between the air and fire. This method is more useful to extinguish fire spread due to oil. Third one, keep away flammable substances. In this method, all flammable substances are kept away from the fire. Any wooden articles or flammable substances must be kept away so that no source is left for the fire to spread. Stir up a pump is the best device to put off a small fire. It sprays water in all the direction around the fire. Precautions and safety measures. Develop the habit of switching off the gas regulator when not in use, especially during night. Switch off the electrical appliances when you are going out of the house. To make others alert, call them for help, shout loudly, call fire brigade, provide information how to use fire extinguisher. First aid, let the patient sit, sleep in a comfortable position and call doctor immediately. Landslide, rift collapse. Natural cracks and fissures present in the hard rocks cause their breaking. Especially at a time of heavy rains, water entering these cracks causes weathering of these rocks. Weight increases, this rock slides on the slopy regions and settle at a lower side. This is called as collapse of rift. Causes of landslide. After the effect of natural disasters like earthquake, tsunami, heavy rains, storms, flood causes landslide. Unlimited cuttings of trees causes soil erosion. While building roads in mountains, there is a lot of digging that makes a mountain weak. Effects of landslide. Rivers get flooded and change their path. Displacement of waterfall. Formation of artificial water reserves. There is life and financial losses on the large scale, whereas trees, building, rocks on the slopy areas collapse on low-lying lands. Landslide affects the traffic. Landslide destroy plant life on it.